Good morning, traders. For those coming in a little late and for those just arriving, this is Coach Alex, and you are live at the Freedom Trading Club. We're going to open in 3 minutes. We've been shorting rallies this morning, and the volatility number, which we use for a measure of the swing points, is 155 points. So anything, if we get a 155-point rallies, we are looking to short them. Our first target of resistance right now would be about 187. So the target resistance is going to be about 187 in here. They have sell orders above, but this is one of the areas right now. So we're going to open up in just about 2 minutes. Unless it gets really crazy, we tend to use about 30-point stops. The trend is down, so we should be looking for trades like M trades, M as in Mike, trend line breaks, first touch rules. Okay. We also don't want to trade for the first 6 minutes. For newer traders, we want to wait. Wait until you see the next good setup. All right. Everybody have their business plan. Remember the low this morning, the low price this morning was 33,024. Okay. So just like Friday, you want to wait for any kind of rally using stochastics, right? That's one method. And not only does it have to be overbought, but then it has to roll over. The price has to break support. Either it's a small trend line like the JTHMA or a bigger trend line. Here, I'll give you an example like this. And again, no trading for the first 6 minutes. Everybody ready to make? We've had two good trades so far with 2 for 2. We'd like to make two more and then quit as early as we can for the morning. Okay. And when you see this support break, your next target would probably be around 33,043. Let's have a good day. Let's make some money. Ten seconds to the open. Remember, downside target would be 33,043 once we get started. We are open for business. And again, the volatility number is 155. Volatility 155. Be patient. See how the initial reaction is to go up to attract sellers at higher levels. I think once this breaks, we will hit the 33,043 level. 33,043. Did I say 403? It's a little more advanced. How do I get that? That's in a course. I could do we were going to do a seminar on that. We may do that, but that's part of the overall course. But basically, we're just looking at previous signals. Now, there's your hook down right here, and then you just see, will we break this trend line? And again, your target on the downside would be 33,043. I'm looking at 50 to 43, 050 to 043. Okay. Is anybody short already on the hook down in stochastics? More advanced traders can do that. The newbies go the other way. Here comes the first target. Take one off. Next target. 33,043 second target. Good job, worldwide. All of the advanced traders are short already. And for the newer traders, just sit back, be amazed. They were originally. You will be too. We'll teach you all of this. Just want to show you first. That's what I said in the beginning. You're going to watch everybody make a ton of money, and then you're not going to want to understand what we're doing. You're going to want to just jump in short from 126. Coco, you see that right above there? Worldwide got in 126 as we broke below the JTHMA here, and or even 119. You could have been in there. Either way, just take some off. What we're saying is we got the high stochastics and then the breakdown. Others got different prices. They're all over the. Don't worry about that, but just understand the methodology. Where you get in is not as important as where your stop would be. Your stop would be about 30 points from your entry. You got one target already. And if you have a bigger account, you're shooting for a little bit more. You're gonna lower your stops right now, guys. Newbies yet have to wait another 2 minutes. Newbies have to wait until 9:36, or those just joining us, so they learn our methodology. That's what we want to do. We want to teach our methodology. We don't want you to wait for me to call the trade. We want you to see it. That's the whole thing. And anybody could follow the leader, but that's not the whole thing. Remember, 33 people who've been members of this room have their own rooms now. Now they are gurus. Think about that business. Imagine calling trades out. You don't even have to trade if you don't want to. If you don't have a partner to call it, first of all, if you don't have a partner, it's hard to call trades, trade your account, watch a tape, answer questions. It's impossible. I'm lucky. I've got good partners. Dan will execute the trades when I can't, and we have actually professional traders who used to work on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange floor. So they know how to trade. So we give the signal, they execute the trades. We all gather around the campfire after the trading's over, virtually, of course. I don't live in Chicago or Lake Geneva. And okay, we're ready to go, huh? All right. Hold 1 second. Here's another sell signal right here. Right? You see how it just broke down back there at 86.30. If you weren't short, now you could get short because 6 minutes are up too. So on this breakdown here, you could take one off like we were talking about and see if you could hold for where's your target, guys? Some of you, what target you're going to make? See if somebody remembers. Yeah, 43 might even be a target. It may get down there. You never know. 33,043. If it hits there, I'm done for the morning. Take one more off here, another one at 50, and another one at 43. 3 contracts each. In a few minutes. Die, you dirty dog. See, the rest of the market knows you guys are buying there. They say, "Holy cow, AJ's buying down there. We better get in before he gets in." You can see this down here, guys, in this support area, 50 to 43 target. I've got 2 left, guys. 2 left. Two left, holding for 33,043. 47 is bid at 61, so it should hit that. You can see the big boys are starting to cover some of the earlier shorts. Big boys are starting to cover the shorts. So don't go short down here. This is where they're covering the big boys. And I did gain 2 pounds over the weekend, so I think I'm one of the big boys. Trading is all about following the market, following Mr. Market. Do not add any new positions down here. Good job, Worldwide. We love to see that. Good job, Bill. Another 40-point winner. And Bill, you're going to wait 27 minutes for your next trade, right? Say yes. Right, good. The worst thing in the world is to have a couple of winners and then a big loser. If you notice, another thing we look at, there were questions, what kind of entries we have. We use the ticks. Do you notice the ticks are all below 0? Look at this. Since the open, they didn't go positive. That means sell programs. Every time the market pops up, there's another sell program. And even later, guys, you still could use these stochastics for entries. I mean, there's nothing wrong with saying, all right, let's say you went flat and you want to see one of these. It goes up, hits the overbought, hooks down, you got another short. Some people use what we call a core position. So very nice for Worldwide. I'd love to see that. In other words, let's say you're short 25 contracts. The market gets oversold. You start covering. So you cover 20 contracts. Keep 5. Market rallies, you scale up, sell. Until you have 25 again. Then when it goes down, you start taking those off. You leave 5. And guess what? When do you close out the last 5? At 3:55 p.m. at the close, right? Okay, die, you dirty dog. We need another 20 points on the downside. See if we can get it this time. These are cyclical trading. And I will go flat at 43, though. I will go flat if it hits The magic number of 33043. Not yet. Not filled yet. No fill. It's trying. There we go. Order filled. Filled and flat. How many got it? How many stuck with it? Done for the day. Good. Excellent. So we've got 85 people. Good job, Lactic. You see? It's just a matter of discipline, isn't it? As long as it didn't get above where? As long as it didn't get above 33,141, this thing was going down. This is the only official trade I'm going to call for our YouTubers. Again, we like to see our YouTubers become non-YouTubers, but traders. So make the transition from YouTuber voyeur to real trader. Subscribe to our service. Come in for a 3-day trial. Start making money. Start finding out how we figure out these targets. Anybody can give you a target, but how do we figure it out? How do we figure out volatility of 155? That's the secret that we'll share. I'm not going to share it for free on YouTube. I'm not nuts. I need subscribers. I want money. All right, guys. For those of you watching on YouTube, thank you for your attention to this. Listen, trading is not that easy. I make it seem easy, but I've been doing it for 40 years. Uh, give it give it 6 months. Our clients are making money within a year, but can you make money in one day? No. Can you make money in 3 days on the free trial? No. But you have to learn this stuff. I like showing off. I'm a showman a little bit. I like bragging. I like, showing off with the expertise, but it's really serious business. All right. We'll see you guys tomorrow.